Hey guys, so I want to explain to you we have a beautiful chair, very colorful. So when Felix is in the feeding center with the babies, we don't have any tables and chairs. It's really difficult for the babies to eat. So this one is really helpful, and thank you for Felix friend for the funding, and we have now chairs and tables so the babies could easily sit here and then they can eat and enjoy their meals, delicious meals in the center. Yes. And then refrigerator.
We have new ref.
Yeah. Refrigerator for so they can make their own ice and then really fresh garbage like vegetables and then this one is really helpful because we're delivering meals in Sitio Damayan, so it's really airtight. So the food is really safe.
Food safe.
Yeah, food safe. And then we're planning to make also a banana cake, really fresh bread and waffles for the kids. So very fresh and homemade. And then this one is for the juice. And also pan made after. And then this one, we have a new plates, really for the babies. So we can divide the dish for the babies. Very safe. And then
The big
this
pa.
one.
Set of
And then the big bag.
steamer.
And this one also is really helpful for some cooking of some fish. So it's really helpful for the long ladle. Yeah. Yay!
Steamer.
And for steamer, we want to make fresh fish. So it's not oily
And puto.
and also
Siomai.
some Filipino dish like puto, siomai. Yeah. So thank you guys. It's really a big help for young focus and with those kids in Smoky Mountain. So God bless you all. And yeah, hope that you could visit us also in the Philippines.